General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Cool. Knocking it out. And then this. Thursday would have been the second. 10/2/25. And then on top of that, let me close this. Let me see if I can get my old chart back because I got my higher time frame. I don't know what was up with this bar replay. Not replaying right. Start a brand new one. Let's just start here. Okay. See. And this is a good note too, because look. See here. It's Thursday's delivery. This is the end of Thursday. You know. Let's go here because I do want to see this play out. Hold up, man. It's just this chart. That's what it is. Something's wrong with that chart. So now I got to do this over here. Start a whole new one. What is this? Is this? I don't think this is news either because the government shut down. think this sale was easy too because of this right here, the regular trading hour gap. I remember paper trading this, and I traded this on like personal forex, not futures proper name, but it's just bread and butter. It's like, don't trade Monday through Wednesday. This is written in the plan, so we sticking to the plan. But I have a personal account. Like, let me try to get this. All right. So that's not a trade day on here. Around 15. This is terminus hip. This was the end of the expansion. Sideline on prop. And until the government come back on, it's NFP week protocol. So I'm gonna have to put that note. Okay, here. Until the government shutdown is over, it will probably be NFP week protocol. Because whenever, I guess, yeah, whenever it's done, NFP reports that very week. I wonder if they can do it over the weekend. We'll see. Or will they draw it out and all that type of stuff. Confidence level. I mean, price was moving. Conditions confirmed. Yeah. Day expectation. Yep. That is done. Not retested. Not retested price. Left the level so fast. I would say that was the low of the week. It's Thursday. Notes about this delivery. Regular trading hour gap was screaming to be filled. Let's go to the H1. The only thing we could have added was the highs. Then this. is the definition of a trend-based fib. It's like literally 25, 205.25. These levels gonna be important. Just might as well do them. 25, 270. And that's a 75 cent. Then what is this? What's this? 25336. 0. And this is like this. Yeah. Five, 2, or 429. Okay. What is this? 25, 547.75. What grade is this? This one? I think so. It's almost 6,000, huh? You can see it. It is the the Trump 2.0. He trying to set the standard, galvanize his party. This needs to be this blue. Then this is assuming the red. Yep. 26443.75. These fibs done hit too many times where I can't put them down. I think it's this one. Is it this one? I bet it's this one. Yep. This should be the last one. Two 6997.75. 26997.75. And last, what is this? 27 340.00. That wasn't that bad. 27340.00. Okay. Hold on. Okay, going below. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, we get there. Because what's that? This says 20. That number is wrong. This is 25. We'll keep that just in case. Here, so I can see the candles now. Okay, no. One-sided expansion to take out outside liquidity and a minor pullback to rebalance the breakout. So it pushed up, broke out, rebalanced the breakout, created from Globex trading hours. I think Globex is big G. Nah, I know Globex is the word. Yeah, the Globex electronic trading. That's what it's called. Add this to dictionary. Go here, take that off. Okay, see? Okay. Things like this need to stay. That's why it's my execution layout, not my chart and layout. Less annotation. It's kind of just if this, then that. Mile markers, roadblocks along the way. No. Boom. Nope. This needs to stay. All right. It's something else. What is that? Right here. I see you. Perfect. It's another inefficiency. It's probably the breaker. No, it's probably this whole order block. I need to fix my other layout, trading view. Yeah, say something. It's not us. Completion. What's this? The Wednesday. Thursday. This was the day we pushed up and rebalanced. So it looked like how we open. It looked like we closed, like we didn't push back up. It was more of an EQ. So on this daily candle, it looks like we rebalanced early, but we really rebalanced in the middle of the day. No, by the end of the daily candle, it looks as if it was a strong day after leaving the range. But we can see on lower time frame that it was a overreaction during Globex and a retracement during the day or in a rebalance. New York Open with a very small lackluster bounce afterwards. Hold on. After overreacting. Hold on, wait. They kind of looked at to a strong day after leaving the range, but we can see a lot of backs and a rebound string. Okay, perfect. Hold on. Here, silver. This, yeah. So I need to do this for silver. Okay. No. Select bar again. Hold on, wait. Okay, hold on. Because look, I think it's doing this just on Forex brokers, period. Look at this gap. Oh, everything just gapped. Okay, Euro didn't gap. Tss. What in the world is that weird looking gap thing? This the hour chart? What is this? Friday 12, end of the day. But my drawings moved. What is going on? Let's try a different feed. Let's look at Forex.com. Now let's look at this. How do you go like this? Okay, this looks normal. All right, let's see. Let's see another feed. Let's try here. Okay, now let's look at another feed. Let's look at Wanda. Thank God for Wanda. I have to change feed on this. Because Lord knows that was looking crazy. Can I see this on the daily? Cool. Now let's just do Thursday. There we go. And then let's start a brand new. This is perfect. All right. Let me take a sip of coffee. I feel much better now. That was throwing me off. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, I got the layout together. Let's do this correct now. I had to fix a few of them. So Thursday, starting on. Okay. Let's see if it's news, cause okay, Forex.com ain't giving me that. It's all good. Cause I had to switch. Let me see if I wanted to give it to me. Cause I do like the way it looks. It has a cool look. Okay. Yeah. So we'll go on under. Yeah, I like the aesthetics of that. So here, this is Thursday, Monday, Tuesday. We got us a cool little range. Wednesday, we pushed up, took out Monday, Tuesday. Thursday, we took it out again. So here we got Tuesday making a low, Thursday making a high, and retracing all the way back into the weekly open. It's beautiful. Okay, hold on. Let me fix these to a Wanda now. Give me a second. All right, cool. I hate when I have to make little adjustments, but that's part of life. That's part of business. You gotta adjust these charts. Okay. Thursday was super expensive. Um, we took out the high from Wednesday and took Monday's high and retraced to the weekly open. Cool. Hold on, let's do this. Got that correct. Now let's go here. Make sure we're on the right day. Select this bar here. I'm gonna have to go back and put the lines on Nasdaq because I figured out what's going on with it now. But the futures charts already got the extensions and whatnot. This is weekly open. Mm. I don't know how you could have traded this on Thursday because the only entry I see is turtle soup. Yeah, there is no entry. Look, just you had to sell the breakout. If you sold the breakout traders 8. Let's go here. The daily. Make sure it's the right candle. Here. Can this take that off? Perfect. From the daily perspective, it looks like chop. Oh snap. It's kind of giving reversal candle vibes. The reversal candle. We took the high and then the low. The only thing I don't like about this candle is we didn't close below the low. Okay, I had to fix the Euro chart too. It was all the Forex charts from that feed. But we good now. I even put the other one on Monday as well. Just I gotta do this before I forget to get these projections later. I like the way this looks. This looks good. No. It's the wrong layout. Keep this here. Save this. Put this here. See, if you don't do stuff like this, you'll lose your chart. This is what I gotta put on there. Get my projections for probably Q4. So now we're on this layout. Thursday, October 2nd. This is all correct. Okay. Overall, just taking a look at the whole week. Monday's low was left there forever, and it kind of took Thursday a while to get it. So Wednesday, like this could be the anchor point. Then here we come and take this out, which is Monday's low. Here. Perfect. Oh man, I done did all that and didn't hit the wrong button. There. Now, bam. Thursday started off here. We didn't take any liquidity. The only thing that got took was this. Everything else was failure swing. It's Thursday's delivery. Engine liquidity. We're on both sides. You probably could have got an entry. You would have just had to been watching this. This is the only interesting area. This works. Bam. Just then let me just drag it here. Come on, colors. That's what I think. That magnet's too strong, but hold on. Let's go weak magnet. Oh no, I was on weak. Yep, that was it. And then this happened at what time? 9:30. Yep. 7 at 9:30. Oh snap! On wait. Control Z. Control Z. It's right here. No, Thursday. Thursday opened up. The only real liquidity I was taking was London high and New York for New York reversal profile with a entry opportunity at 9:30. Fair value gap tap. Another thing to note is this week was boo boo for EU. So it would have been better spent on more volatile assets. It could be due to NFP hold up. Yeah, I guess it's a better word than halt. Time frame H1. Okay. Let's make sure these lines don't go everywhere because it looks like they are. Because that shouldn't even be here. Okay. M5 or H1. It's kind of low resistance liquidity running here. Hold on. Let's get a color. Hold on. Yeah, that'll work. We can do that. Yeah, might stick out better. I can't adjust that, even though I will want to. Know how we still in EQ of previous week's range, but now price is showing its hand as to wanting to maybe want previous week's low. Let's go here to the daily. Let's go back here because it's doing too much again. I think it's because I have no idea. I don't think it's because it's a layout, because I don't know what it's for. So here, Mm, let's see. The daily looks like we should leave it alone. Even though we see small setups on lower time frame, our focus here is only looking for one shot, one kill on silver or XAG and euro. So if the daily not set up, four swings and one and OSOP, we skip. Did we engage in personal? But this is managing funds, so nope. Let's say for Thursday, yes, sticking with NFP protocol of Monday through Wednesday. Focus. Would I need to be true to engage? Not NFP on Friday. What did price deliver that as on experience pattern? For Thursday, Thursday was really about the RTH gap fit and how RTH gaps are bread and butter set up within itself. You can look for the overextended markets and just play rebalance. If they're similar, if RTH gap, just trade the field. Oh, RTH did. Yes. TH gap model. Which I learned about myself. I should paper trade more. Paper more. It's good practice for when I don't want to push with live funds in uncertain market conditions. The only thing I'm watching for is the government shutdown. Okay, this one took a little bit longer than I thought, but I had to do all that cleaning up to the charts. That was necessary because the fees was messed up. But y'all keep it cool. Peace.